Hey guys, John, Vapor Honing Technologies and Vapor Blast Manufacturing Company. Today wanted to show off a brand new 4848 liquid home from Vapor Blast Manufacturing Company. Back in February of 2025, this year, we had the opportunity to buy Vapor Blast Manufacturing Company from Milwaukee. We did relocate the company here to Lincolnton, North Carolina, and this is a brand new 4848 liquid hone machine. This machine is going to a customer along with another machine, but this is 84 years of engineering in the wet blasting, liquid honing space. This is truly the oldest wet blasting machine in the world at 84 years old, and we are pleased to offer these machines to you. These are true industrial workhorses. These guns, these machines, and these blasting guns can be fitted up to 100 CFM blasting gun, so they can truly do a ton of work in a very short period of time. These machines have been notoriously used in government, military work, and also a lot of aerospace and medical as well. And so very robust, very rugged machines. They are extremely well built. I will tell you this, I've been manufacturing wet blasting cabinets since 2012. And this is probably one of the most well-built machines in the world today compared to what I've seen in the marketplace. We have full stainless steel throughout. This is a 10 gauge stainless steel hopper. Yeah, I said that right. This is a 10 gauge stainless steel hopper and a 12 gauge upper from the hopper up, basically. Along with 1/4 inch stainless steel. There's some 3/16 bits in here as well, but we haven't quite weighed this machine yet, but we're gonna see what the total weight. I do know that the shell alone weighed over 650 pounds, and that was unfitted with anything. That was bare before the assembly process, but they do come standard with a couple things. You're gonna see we have changed the machines where they do come standard with a regulator, of course, now. High flowing solenoids for up to 100 CFM on blasting guns. And these machines do now have 2 swinging doors as standard, both left hand and right hand. So it's a huge open envelope for putting whatever you can fit inside of this cabinet. I'm gonna open both doors here. But these are compression style latches. We have the auto close door feature over there, but these are compression style latches, well fitted. The cabinets are always built with the option of you adding vertical doors to the machine. So they have 2 vertical door options. They have a manual vertical door, which of course you can just lift manually. And then they have a pneumatic vertical door option as well, which you're just pulling or pushing a lever pneumatically to raise and lower the door. So again, I'm pleased to offer an 84-year-old wet blasting cabinet to the general public at this point. This is the first time most of you will ever have seen or known about a Vapor Blast manufacturing cabinet. These were always sold to heavy, big industrial shops. However, you can buy one today for your workshop. We are starting to produce these and ship these at this point. But there are a lot of custom parts on here that are custom to us or for us. We have a lot of castings. So this is a very unique, at the time, patented blasting gun. We have these castings made here in the US and we machine them ourselves. Our pump is a patented pump from back in the day. This pump has been around 84 years. We can show you the back of that. The pump alone weighs 72 pounds. This is your pumping system right here. This is a heavy duty cast pump. It can be urethane lined. If you so choose, there's an option to upgrade that. However, a lot of people choose not to line them. They're gonna wear the same or about the same. I mean, the lining is gonna help. But as far as the wear, these are heavy duty castings. We are rebuilding pumps that are over 50 years old today. So we do offer rebuilding pump services. We will sell you the parts to rebuild your own pump. But again, the pump alone is 72 pounds. The machines do come standard with a demisting unit. That's what you see here. This can be exhausted out your building or in your exhaust system, but they do come standard with a demisting unit. One of the other features that you can get is an automatic filter wash system to wash the filter, because there are filters inside of here. So there's an automatic filter wash. This machine is fitted with that, but then there's a manual wash setting that comes standard with the machine. So you just manually have to flip a switch and wash your filters. But this one's set up more of an automated way. So guys, what you're gonna be able to see here, obviously, is the demisting setup. So it's evacuating all of the mist out of the cabinet, a lot of the fogging that happens in these machines, but it evacuates it out, keeps a very clear area. It does help you to put your hands in the gloves because they do get sucked to the back. The demisting or exhaust unit is on, of course, a timed sequence here. So when I hit the pedal, everything starts up as normal. That is a massive amount of liquid and air being propelled at over 70 CFM. That's a 70 CFM blasting gun. And again, that is a very proprietary gun in the way it works and the way it's designed. It is very unique for us, and it's very heavy duty and very robust. That is a carbide nozzle in there. I think that's over a 1/2 inch inner diameter blasting nozzle, maybe larger, I can't remember the exact setup, but that is a 70 CFM blasting gun with the air jet in there. So this thing will crank out massive amounts of slurry and air on the part. But really excited to show it off. Again, this is an awesome 48 by 48 work area in all stainless steel, brand new. And we do have more to come. You're gonna be able to see a 30-30 in this design. You'll be able to see a 28-20. All of those different cabinets are coming through production right now and going to different facilities like Pratt & Whitney, GE, all kinds of different big industry, big machine shops that do aerospace and defense work. So again, if you want a machine that's built if you want a machine that's built to last a lifetime, this is your product right here. Look no further. Really super excited. Again, these are big industrial machines that have been built to last a lifetime. I've always told people we can build machines to last a long time here at Vapor Honing Technologies, but these machines from Vapor Blast were built to last a lifetime. And it's super exciting to be able to carry on this brand and this legacy. And I do want to give a lot of thanks and shout out to Kevin's existing family for helping us make this possible, because without them and our partnership, we couldn't have made this happen. And it's been a fun time, fun experience. We've had to completely work over these cabinets and take it from 1941 to 2025. So hopefully you guys enjoy this. Hopefully you guys are willing to purchase one of these cabinets. They are built to last forever. So this is something you're gonna buy once and never buy it again. But these things are used in factories every single day for 8, 16, 24 hours a day. Some of these pumping systems that we've been into factories already, these pumps just run 24/7. Simply because some of the exotic abrasives that they're using need and require those pumps to run forever. But if you have more questions, call or email the sales team. We're gonna be delivering this information as we get it. You're gonna be seeing it as we produce these new cabinets, because there are a lot of different machines that we have to build, not only for customers, but also to produce and sell to customers as well. So hopefully you enjoy that. Again, 4848 Liquid Home from Vapor Blast Manufacturing Company. Thanks for watching.